Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello friends, welcome back to ZestyFoods channel. Today I am going to share with you my way of making creamy pasta and fruit salad. So let's start. For this fruit salad, I have prepared my ingredients. I have cut all the fruits that I am going to use. 2 cups of strawberries, 1 big apple. I have peeled it up and cut it in small chunks. Mandarin orange. If you don't have Mandarin orange, any kind of oranges can be used. 1 cup of canned peach, 2 cups of canned pineapple, 1 cup of grapes, and little bit more than 2 cups of noodles. I have boiled them and then rinsed them with cold water, made them ready. And for sauce, 1 cup of yogurt, regular yogurt, any yogurt, half cup of sour cream and 1/4 cup of honey. It's time to mix everything together. First I am going to mix the ingredients for sauce: sour cream, yogurt, honey. Mix together. Now it's time to mix noodles. Mix them well. Apples, strawberries, peaches. In this salad you can use any kind of fruits, whatever you like. You can add banana too. These are pineapple I mixed. Now Mandarin oranges and grapes. All is mixed together and we will refrigerate it until 2 to 3 hours, and that's it. This is a very yummy fruit salad. It's nicely creamy, and to me it tastes like little bit, gives me a feeling of faluda. You can try it and let me know in the comments how did you find it. The Ramadan is coming. You can try this fruit salad in your iftar. It's very refreshing, very healthy, full of energy. You will love it, and try it and let me know in the comments that how did you find it. If you like my video, share it with your friends and hit and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you can get my new videos as soon as they are uploaded. Thank you and bye for now.